Skye, Chase, Marshall. Pups! A few minutes earlier. I want to play with the Paw Patrol toys. And I want to play with Legos. Yeehaw! Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. And I want to play with my unicorn. Yeehaw! And now it's time to play with puzzles. This one. And this one. And this one. Boy, there's sure a lot of puzzles. And now I'm gonna play with this castle. Let's go get some princesses for it. Boy, I'm sure getting tired doing all these puzzles. Should we just go watch TV, Skye? Marshall, what do you think? Me too. I'm getting tired playing with all these princesses. Let's go watch TV. Let's go watch Incy Adventures episodes. I'm done building my fort too. I call dibs to choosing the episodes of the Incy Adventures. Let's go! And back to now. To find that out. Do you want to go on the slide, Skye? Yeah. Yay! Whee! Pups! Oh no, we forgot to tidy up the room. Pups, have you looked at your room? I see toys everywhere. In every corner of your room there are toys. How could you be playing with all the toys at the same time? There's barely any place to set my foot in without getting hurt. We are sorry, Ryder. You're right. We shouldn't have taken all the toys at the same time. I'm also wondering, how are you guys comfortable playing in such a crowded room full of toys? Yeah, there's barely any space to play for us. You're right. We just get another toy out when we get bored of the first one. Okay, so from this moment onwards, there's a rule. And the rule is, tidy up your first toy before you move to another. Okay? Okay, Ryder. Alright then. No room is too messy, no pups are too busy. Let's get to cleaning. Aw, man. This pup's got to clean. Come on, let's not delay it anymore. Come on, Marshall. Coming. Come on, Chase. Chase! Come on. Alright, Chase is on the cleaning case. Let's go. Oh man, how am I supposed to sort all these puzzle pieces? Chase, you opened all of them at the same time. Now it's almost impossible to tell which one belongs to which one. Don't worry, Marshall. I'll help you. They have a shape on the back usually. That way, you can tell which piece belongs to which set. See? There's a diamond on it. And this one has a square. And this one has a triangle. So it's not really that hard to sort them. I have an idea. Let's each pick up a shape. I can do the triangles, Marshall can do the diamonds, and Chase can do the squares. Ah! There's something in the puzzle box! Oh, wait. Is it just a horsey corn? Ah, there's my stuffy toy. I was looking for you. Boom, boom, boom.
Tidy up the first toy before you move to another. Tidy up the first toy before you move to another. Tidy up the first toy before you move to another. Tidy up the first toy before you move to another. Tidy up the first toy before you move to another. Tidy up the first toy before you move to another. Tidy up the first toy before you move to another. Tidy up the first toy before you move to another. Tidy up the first toy before you move to another. Tidy up the first toy before you move to another. Tidy up the first toy before you move to another. Tidy up the first toy.
Say it with me, Incy Adventurers. before you move to another. Oh man, I can't believe we are finally done. Oh. Wow. Pups, I can't believe you guys did such an amazing job tidying up your room. Wow. I'm really impressed and I'm very proud of you. And remember for the next time in Steven C. Adventurers, tidy up your first toy before you move to another. This way you will have space to play in your room and your room won't get messy ever. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.